is not perfect, but it goes astray. The AI tries its best, but mistakes can't find their way. It's a thumbnail here, a thumbnail there, but we'll get it right with a bit of care. AI is not perfect, but that's okay. We learn to fix and find our way, creating thumbnails, logos, banners too. With each small error we improve what we do. Bold and bright, we'll make it shine. Even with mistakes, it turns out fine. A classic thumbnail in 16:9. We'll tweak and tune until it aligns. AI is not perfect, but that's okay. We learn to fix and find our way, creating thumbnails, logos, banners too. With each small error we improve what we do. Bold and bright, we'll make it shine. Even with mistakes, it turns out fine. A classic thumbnail in 16:9. We'll tweak and tune until it aligns. Thumbnail to thumbnail, we'll get it right with a touch of patience and a guiding light. Logos and banners perfectly aligned. There's little errors we leave behind. AI is not perfect, but that's okay. We learn and fix and find our way, creating thumbnails, logos, banners too. With each small error we improve what we do. So here's the progress, step by step. AI helps.
Subscribe and share to receive information about new finding and learning topics.